One of my favorite things to eat is an oyster. Raw, baked, I love them all. These Tex-Mex broiled oysters with charred tomato and chorizo butter are gonna tick off all the boxes. Can it get any better? Not really.
Almost everything in this butter for the oysters gets kissed by fire. Grill the chorizo sausage for about 5 to 10 minutes or till it's cooked all the way through. The tomatoes and limes get a char in half the time, and the flames help sweeten them up and loosen up the juices. For the oysters, they need to be shucked. Simply put your oyster knife in the hinge of the oyster, loosen up the oyster on the bottom, and you're good to go. Get that butter going with some garlic, chili powder, lime juice, touch of parsley, and a healthy pinch of salt. Fold in the chorizo and the tomato, and then load it up with panko. Fill each with that delicious butter and then top with a crumble of panko. It gets really nice and toasty on top, and the texture is great. Now, the trick to grilling an oyster on the barbecue is really simple. You want to put them cup side down, and in a matter of minutes, they're done and ready for the party.
Flame Kiss barbecue broiled Tex-Mex style oysters with the grilled chorizo and tomato butter. It's gonna put a smile on the face of anyone who eats it, including this one. Chorizo butter? Yeah. I like the combination sometimes of meat and seafood. It's dynamite. Cheers. Whether it's humble spices in the Tex-Mex cooking or complex mole, the spices in fiesta-style food is delicious. Adopt that in your barbecue game and you'll be pretty happy with the stuff that comes off the grill. Happy grilling.